I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my husband's matte medium hold hair cream. My husband loves this hair cream. It offers a light to medium hold and comes in a 4-ounce container. He initially heard about it through his barber. My husband started using this cream as his go-to styling product because it provides a matte finish, which he loves. It's perfect for a no shine look that he prefers. So he really loves that it has the strength to keep his hair in place without making it look overly styled or greasy. He loves that look. And the light medium hold is just right for his daily hairstyles. One of the things that he really likes is the invigorating scent of tea tree oil that it has. It not only provides a pleasant aroma, but it also gives a refreshing feel to his scalp. It's a styling essential that keeps your hair looking great without any unwanted shine. And that's my point of view.